welcome back to another episode of Retro Rookie. So Easter is just around the corner and I have had my very own special visit from a very different kind of bunny. Yes, I am talking about the new Jessica Rabbit collection from Ciaté. So I love Jessica Rabbit, who first came to the big screen in 1988 with Who Framed Roger Rabbit. And I think I have to attribute her to another reason why I first got into vintage and retro fashion and style. I think you can really see her retro influences from the likes of Veronica Lake and Rita Hayworth. And I am really excited to try out this collection to see if you can see the colours and Jessica Rabbit's style transposed into this makeup line. So Ciaté was founded in 2009, and since then they have become very famous for their glitter products. So I'm very excited to try out this Jessica Rabbit collection, and I have my box here, so let's take a look. Okay, so I decided to go for the full collection, which is in a wonderful little box like this. So it's very striking and it is very elegant, which I would associate with the vixen that is Jessica Rabbit. So let's crack open this set and take a look. So this collection comes with an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter and a lipstick, which I am very excited about because it is a glittery red lipstick. So what should we start with and open first? There's so many decisions. Okay, let's start with the eyeshadow palette. So the boxes are all pretty much the same in their design. They have Jessica Rabbit's autograph, of course, and they have kind of like this 3D embossing of the very famous scene from Who Framed Roger Rabbit where Jessica is first introduced. So this is a 9-shade eyeshadow palette. Let's take a look. So the front of this is really cool and striking. We have Jessica Rabbit looking very sultry indeed. So let's have a look at the eyeshadows themselves. Okay, so these are really nice, and I do think that they really follow through with the theming of Jessica Rabbit herself. We have colours there that I think you could associate with her eyeshadow, with the dress that she wears, with her skin colour as well. So because I want to show you all of these colours, I am going to colour swatch them and show you what they look like. Okay, so here we have Toon Kisses, which looks a bit like I would say, lavender colour. We have a Honey Bunny, and I am loving these names because they all give me a big nostalgia trip right back to Who Framed Roger Rabbit as a kid, so that's really cool. Next up we have Love Letter, which is a really sparkly red colour. We have like a midnight shimmery blue, which is called Oh Roger. And you can just see this sparkling in the sun right now, and it is so pretty. Next up we have Sunset Boulevard, which again is super shimmery. Then we have, I would say, possibly one of the most iconic lines from Jessica Rabbit. It's called I'm Not Bad.
I'm not bad, I'm just drawn that way.
Next up we have a little bit of a naughty name, Patty Cake, if you get the reference to the film. And this is called Drawn That Way. And finishing off with a matte colour is Carrot Cake, and that finishes off our 9-colour palette. So that was our fabulous 9-shade colour palette. So let's move on to testing out the highlighter now. This time we have just a different view of Jessica Rabbit. She is very sultry. So we've got slight variations, but they all follow the same theming. So let's have a look at what this highlighter looks like. Okay, so this is really pretty and elegant. We have the print from the front of the highlighter on the actual product itself. So let's have a little tester of how this looks on my skin. And yes, I am going to be super careful that I don't mess up the design. It is quite shimmery. I currently use an Illamasqua highlighter, which I would say does have a little more shimmer in it than the Ciaté range, but it is very complementary to my skin tone. So thumbs up. Okay, now it's time for the pièce de résistance. It is the sparkly lipstick, which I am so excited to see. So let's take a look. Oh wow, okay. So the actual tube that the lipstick comes in is extremely glamorous, but at the same time, it's not as elegant and sultry as I was perhaps expecting. But let's take a look, because what matters here is how glittery is the lipstick. Oh wow. Okay, that is super, super glittery. And if it looks like what it looks like in the tube on my lips, I'm going to be one happy retro rookie. That's pretty glittery. So I am actually super impressed with the application and how it looks on your lips. I thought that because of the fact that it was glittery, it would feel rough going on, but it doesn't at all. It feels very soft, very smooth. As a first-time customer with Ciaté Cosmetics, I am very impressed with the actual makeup products of this collection. So I do think that companies can go one of two ways when it comes to doing collections surrounding characters or films. And the two routes that they can go down are they can make a product that looks like it can just be plucked out of the film, or companies can decide to take that character or the film and they can slap it on their products. And I do think that Ciaté have took this method, which isn't exactly to my taste. However, at the end of the day, you are wearing this makeup. So the boxes and the casings aren't exactly the end of the world, and overall I am really happy with how the products look on my skin. I'm really excited to try out the eyeshadows, and in particular the purples, in order to create that Jessica Rabbit look. And as you can tell, yes, I am completing my homage to Jessica Rabbit with my outfit today. So that is my overall reaction, unboxing and testing of the Jessica Rabbit collection from Ciaté Cosmetics. Thank you for watching. If you've liked my video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram with @retro_rookie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.